Are you looking for any free blog sites to help you begin sharing your work with the rest of the world? Whether you just want to keep your family and friends updated on what's going on in your life, or you want to establish a blog and reach a larger audience. If yes, then this video will help you to start a blogging career for free. I am going to show you the 2 greatest platforms that you can use to start a free blog. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as this video contains a bonus platform also. Before moving with the video, consider hitting the subscribe button, as you will get regular videos of free and legitimate methods of earning online. Let's dive into the video. The first platform on this list is Medium. Medium defines itself as a community of readers and writers offering unique perspectives on ideas large and small. That's exactly what it is, a space for long-form writing and expressing your opinions on a variety of topics. Medium is primarily defined by the high-quality, niche-focused material that it publishes. Medium is not about who you are or whom you know, but about what you have to say. If I run a website analysis of this site, you can see this site gets 150 million plus of traffic on monthly basis, and that's a very huge number. The top 5 countries of traffic source are the United States, India, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Canada. Now let's see how to start writing on Medium. Anyone with a Medium account is eligible to write for Medium. There is no further verification required. Your post must follow Medium's content guidelines and restrictions. For example, you can't write about controversial or extreme content on Medium. While anybody may access Medium content, regardless of whether or not they have a Medium account, you must have an account and be logged in to publish and engage with others on the platform. Creating an account on Medium is really simple. Setting up an account takes less than a minute. Just go to medium.com, you will find the Get Started option in the top right corner. Click on it. You have 3 options for sign up: Google, Facebook, or email. Choose any of the options that you like. After signing up with your account and simply log in. Go to settings, fill in your details like bio, update your profile photo, and set up your account. Now to start writing on Medium. Click on your profile photo, under which you will find an option called Write a Story. Click on it, and it will take you to your writing space. Write your blog, add photos and videos if you have related to your story or blog. And simply publish the story. It's that simple to start your own blog for free on medium.com. You can also earn money from the stories that you will publish on this platform. To monetize your stories, you need to have at least 1 story published and must have 100 followers. After you have published your story and have 100 followers, you can apply to the Medium Partner Program. There are 2 ways to earn money through the Medium Partner Program. One is more reading time, which means the more time Medium members spend reading your content, the more money you earn. So make sure to write long and interesting blogs. Another method to earn money is through referred membership, which basically means you can refer readers to become Medium members and get half of their membership fee. You can read more about the Medium Partner Programs through the FAQ available. Medium is one of the best platforms if you want to start your own blog and earn from it, as it's free, and one of the most established blogging platforms. Now let's see another platform. The second platform is hubpages. hubpages was created in 2006 as a revenue-sharing website with user-generated content. The platform allows you to post articles and earn money from them based on the number of views they receive. The platform allows freelance bloggers to build their own blogs, where they will write and share original content. Because published articles on hubpages tend to have a decent search rating, the site also aids amateur authors in establishing an online presence and showcasing their work. This appears to be a good offer for bloggers who want to monetize their content while also building their internet reputation. If I run website analysis of this site, you can see this site gets 2 million traffic on daily basis. The top 5 countries for traffic are United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, Philippines. Getting started on hubpages is really simple. Go to hubpages.com, then click on the join button you see at the top right corner. Fill in your details, like name, email address, choose a password, and tick the term of use. After signing up, simply log into your account. Upload your profile picture, write a short bio about yourself. And you are good to go. After you've created an account, you'll need to build a hub, which is basically your own blog site on the hubpages platform. hubpages articles are typically 1,000 words long and can include photographs, videos, and links. Ads on behalf of hubpages will begin to appear in published blog entries soon. This is where the income potential comes into play. The amount earned is determined by the number of views each article receives. Revenues are shared 60-40, with hubpages claiming the latter portion. With that stated, freelancers on hubpages earn a wide range of money. Some authors claim to make between $100 and $500 per month. The minimum amount you must earn before receiving a payout is $50, and you can only make payments using your PayPal account. So this was the second platform that you check to start your own blog for free. Now let's move to the bonus platform. So the bonus platform is Vocal.media. Vocal.media is a platform for creators to be supported, discovered, and rewarded. Writers, singers, filmmakers, artists, and other forms of creatives can use Vocal storytelling tools and active communities to get found and fund their work. The Vocal was created to broaden the audience for content dissemination while also assisting writers in monetizing their work through a variety of features. If I run the website analysis, you can see there is more than 4 million monthly traffic on this platform. The top countries where this traffic is coming from are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, and Australia. You can submit your writings to a variety of communities. Their network is set up in such a way that you can make money by creating or publishing your own blog posts. They make it simple to make money writing online. Getting started to write for Vocal Media is a very simple process. You can start writing right away. If you wish to publish a writing project, you can do it via their platform. They're always on the lookout for fresh writers. This is where they get the majority of their new contributions. To write a story on this platform, you need to create an account. Creating an account is free on this platform. Just go to Vocal.media and click on the Join button. Fill in your details or sign up with Facebook, Google, Apple, Twitter. After sign up, log into your account, upload your profile photo and you are good to go. Write your first blog by clicking on Create a Story. Write your blog, put videos and images related to your blog. Vocal makes it simple to generate traffic. All you have to do is write excellent articles that their editors will publish and their readers will read. They feature a simple web editor that allows you to modify and produce articles in a variety of styles, topics, or niches. Vocal pays its users on a CPM, cost per thousand, basis, sometimes known as reads. The more people that read your article, the more money you'll make. Vocal regular members currently earn $3.80 every 1,000 reads. Members of Vocal Plus get $6 for 1,000 reads. People who will read your article can also give you tip if they love your article. Make your article well written, engaging, and intriguing for your audience, and they will be more inclined to tip you. If the Vocal likes your article, you may also receive a tip from them. For creators, writers, bloggers, and authors, Vocal.media is an excellent writing tool. You can make a part-time or full-time living by writing fantasy, horror, mystery, thriller, and other articles. So these were free platforms that you can use to write and start your own blog. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and share this video with your friends and family members that would like to start their own blog. Consider hitting the subscribe button for more such free and legitimate methods to earn money online.